Alright, what's up guys? I'm Chaotic50 and these are my brand new SVE Series 3's on my 2014 Mustang GT. Now these stunning wheels I've decided to put on my 2014 Mustang GT are the SVE Series 3 wheels that I purchased from Late Model Restoration. Not only that, but they were exactly what I needed to completely transform the look of my car. So before we get into this, let me answer the big question. Are they worth the money? Well, if you ask me, abso-fucking-lutely, they are completely worth the money. For what these wheels are, the beadlock, the deep dish, the fitment, the size of it, these are basically luxury for the price that I paid. Now these wheels are 20 inches in diameter with a 10-inch rear width and an 8.5-inch front width. Both wheels also have a beadlock along the outer face, and they also come with a slight deep dish appearance, which is rarely seen in the Mustang scene. But even though these wheels aren't what you'd see on a Mustang, they look absolutely amazing. And for those of you who might be wondering, these wheels do clear the Brembo brake package and the track package. Now, when paired with the right tire, these wheels will turn your car into a completely different animal. The tire I decided to go with are Continental's Extreme Contact DWS 06 Plus. As you can see, they have Sport Plus technology, whatever that means. These are 275s in the rear and 245s in the front, which give the rear the most perfect fitment I have ever seen on a Mustang. Like and comment if you agree. The perfect rear fitment really leaves a lot to be desired in the front with, well, maybe a little spacing. These wheels could be looking perfect on this beast. But with a little bit of camber and a lot of deep dish, this car just looks stunning. So I do have to say that out of all of the mods I've put in the car, the wheels, the lights, the wicker bill, the exhaust, the shifter, everything, these wheels transformed it most of all. I mean, the tuner and the intake did a lot. It made it a little bit faster, but these wheels just made it look like a completely different car. This view from right there, that is just perfect. So now that we've talked about the specs of the wheels, I'm going to compare some track times. For the track times, I'm going to be doing a quarter mile, 0 to 60, and possibly even a 0 to 100. My stock times with only a Boss 302 intake and tune, keep in mind during cold weather and stock wheels and tires, were I had a 13.7 quarter mile and a 5.7 0 to 60. That is with just an intake manifold, cold air intake, and a tune. With a straight pipe too, you can't forget the straight pipe. But let's take this beast out. She's got some fresh rubber on her. These are the sportiest all-season tires I could get. A lot of cornering grip, a lot of traction. I actually rarely slip in first gear, which is absolutely atrocious with over 400 wheel horsepower. That is insane. Now all that's left to do is just hop in it and take it for some track times. Result. Woo. On these little back roads here, 13.6 at 106 miles per hour. That is my new best quarter mile. I did shave off 0.1 second, which isn't great, but you know, I'm not gonna complain about it. I also had my air conditioner on, so let's just say it's a 12-second car, you know. One last quarter mile, shall we? At 101 though. So you guys can see my transmission is not having it right now. Alright, so the 0 to 60 I'm getting 5.4. I did one earlier with my friend in the car, and it was also 5.4. Let's move on to the 0 to 100. So 0 to 60 I got a 5.4. 0 to 100. Results are in. 0 to 100, 13.2. Okay guys, so overall my quarter mile before the wheels was 13.7, and currently it is 13.6. We managed to shave off 0.1 second. The 0 to 60 was 5.7, now it's 5.4. We shaved off 0.3 seconds. And I didn't have a old 0 to 100, but our new 0 to 100 is 13.2 seconds. Thank you guys for watching. I really hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.